Hello, my name is Shakti Velu, son of Sashidhar, and my matrix number is 06DAM 19F1065. Today I want to talking about power diode. The first point is on and off states controlled by the power circuit. The second point is when diode is forward biased, it conducts current with a small forward voltage across it 0.2 voltage to 3 voltage. The third point is when reverse or blocking state, a negligibly small leakage current UAE microamps to MAE milliamps flows until the reverse breakdown occurs. Diode should not be operated at reverse voltage greater than VR. Then diode turn off. Fast recovery diodes have a small reverse recovery time. When a diode is switched quickly from forward to reverse bias, it continues to conduct dual to the minority carriers which remain in the PN junction. The minority carriers require finite time reverse recovery time to combine with opposite charge and neutralize.
Okay, my name is Sudarshan and Anna Lucky Ganesan. My metric number is 06TEM19F1069. Okay, now I want to talk about component of power diodes. Okay, power diodes are simple semiconductor device and also having two terminals and one junction. Okay, the power diode, ordinary signal diode, have a junction from P-type semiconductor and also N-type semiconductor. They lead joining P-type is called anode and the other side join is called N-type is called cathode. Okay. Power diode are also similar to signal diode but have a little difference in construction. Okay. Like in its construction, like in signal diodes, the doping level of P and N sides is same and will become a PN junction. But if power diodes, we have a junction formed between heavily P positive and lightly doped N negative layer which is expensive grown on a heavily doped will become N positive layer. Okay, the N negative layer is the key feature of the power diode which make it suitable for high power application, and the layer is also very lightly doped, almost instatic, and hence the device is also known as pin. Okay, the power diode is also a light doping concentration. Like thickness of space charge region increase with decrease in doping concentration. The increased thickness of depletion region or the space charge region help the diode to block larger reverse beside voltage and hence have a great breakdown voltage. However, adding this N negative layer significantly increase the ohmic resistance of the diode, leading to more heat generation during forward conduction state. Hence, power diode come with various mounting for proper heat dissipation. Okay, that's all from component of power diodes.
Diode, and now I'm here to explain about the gate control switch. Okay, a semiconductor device that can be switched from its non-conducting or off state to its conducting or on state by applying a negative pulse to its gate terminal, and that can be turned off at any time by applying reverse drive to the gate. As mentioned earlier, low current dropout is a normal way in which the SCR is turned off. Gate control switch is designed for a easy opening with a reverse based trigger. A gate control switch GCS is closed by a positive trigger and opened by a negative trigger or by low current dropout. Gate control switch is each positive trigger closes the GCX and each negative trigger opens it. Thus, the square wave output is obtained as shown in the figure. Okay, now we are going to look at the advantages of GCX. The most obvious advantage of GCX is over SCR or SCS is the fact that it can be turned on or off by applying the proper pulse to the cathode gate without the anode gate and associated circuit required for the SCS. The second very important advantage of GCS is improved switching characteristics. The gate control switch is useful in encountering digital circuits, multi-vibrators, voltage regulators and other applications in which negative trigger is available for turn off. That's the introduction and also advantages for the gate control switch. And now Pavi will continue with the rest. Thank you for this thing.
Hi guys, my name is Pavitran Thagarajan. My matrix number is 06DEM19F1008. So now I'm going to talk about the characteristic of SCS. Okay, the most obvious advantage of GCS is over the SCR or SCS is the fact that it can be turned on or off. By applying the proper pulse to the cathode gate or without the anode gate and associate circuitry required for the SCS. A second very important advantage of GCS is improved switching on characteristics. Yeah, so the control switch is useful in counters, digital circuits, multi-vibrators, voltage regulators and other applications in which a negative trigger is available for turn off. Okay, so that's all from my side. Yeah. Okay, besides that, low current drop out is the normal way in which the SCR is turned off. Okay, by the way, gate control switch also can be designed as a reverse bias trigger. Okay, a gate control switch is closed by a positive trigger and opened by a negative trigger or by low current dropout, as I say just now. Okay, so gate control switch circuit is shown in figure. Later I'll be presenting you. So yeah, each positive trigger closes the GCS and each negative trigger opens it. So the square wave output is obtained as a that's all from us. Yeah.